Hey homeowners, Jeff here for America's Preferred Home Warranty, bringing you some maintenance tips for your gas water heater that can keep your budget from boiling over. If you've ever run out of hot water, you know how important your water heater is, right? Now luckily, keeping it in good shape only requires a tune-up every 6 months. Before any maintenance, we want to turn off power and water to the unit for safety. Find the gas shutoff valve connected to the side access panel, turn it to the off position. Now when it's off, you should see the pilot light go out. You'll also want to turn off the water by locating the water shutoff valves that feed your water heater and turning them until they stop. To start, check the unit's exterior for any leaks, wear, or rust. Then you're ready to test the pressure relief valve. Now the pressure relief valve is located at the top or side of the water heater and connected to a discharge pipe that goes down the side of the unit. To test it, put a bucket below the discharge pipe and then gently lift the lever to release pressure. If water comes out when you lift the lever and stops after you release it, it's in good shape. When the water cools down, you can drain and flush the tank. Now for this step, have a garden hose or bucket handy to remove water from the unit. Connect the hose to drain located toward the bottom of the water heater, place the other hose end into a bucket, drain or in the yard, and then open the drain valve slowly to release the water. Once your water heater is drained, simply turn the water supply back on for a few minutes to clean out any remaining sediment. When the water starts to run clear, you can close the drain, disconnect the hose, and let your water heater fill back up. Now once it's full, simply relight the pilot light. Now this is done by turning the gas knob to pilot, pressing it in to relight the pilot, and confirming it's relit. If you have an older unit with red or black igniting button, push that while you light the pilot with a fireplace match or extended lighter. Reignite the main burner by turning the main gas valve back to the on position and setting the temperature to 120 degrees. After that, you're all done. Thanks for watching, and remember, water heaters are expensive to replace, so keeping yours maintained is super important. But if you're an America's Preferred Home Warranty customer, we're here to help you get your home back to normal when something breaks down from normal wear and tear.